Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be traveling to Punakaiki Pancake Rocks. Punakaiki is a small village on the west coast of the South Island of New Zealand. It is located between Westport and Greymouth on State Highway 6, the only through road on the west coast. From Greymouth, it is a 40-minute drive to Punakaiki. Welcome to Punakaiki and the remarkable limestone formation known as the Pancake Rocks. This easy trek will take you through a small section of west coast rainforest and out to a prominent headlands. From here you'll see surging blowholes, rock stacks, and away in the distance of snow-covered mountains of Tiwaihi Punomu of South Island. For those with keen eyes, whales and dolphins can be sighted out in the ocean. Take your time to discover this special place. See how the focus of nature have shaped the coast of this land, and experience a wildlife for which this place is home. The Easy Pancake Rock is a 20-minute loop that leaves you enough time to view the borehole action. It is recommended to come here on a high tide so you can see all the borehole actions. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed every bit of it. See you on my next video.